What's up, guys? We got a crew today. We're gonna hit the bank on the river. We got Brody, we got Jacob, we got Kyle, myself, Keys. This is where I personally cut my teeth and fell in love with fishing down here. It's like late July. The river is flowing low and slow. We just got a little bit of rain, so that just pushes a whole new swath of fish up into the river here. So we're gonna be fishing little tiny sneaky spots, current breaks, eddies, stuff like that, behind boulders. Hopefully catch some big smallmouth.
Let's go.
Hey, I'm excited about this one. Yeah. I got a guided trip. Now, don't be like catching all the bass now. Like, I leave a couple for me now. Like, hey, listen, just bird dog a couple.
I'm actually all for that. I will tell you some of my favorite little haunts down there, for real.
It should be good. I'm excited. What's the biggest smallmouth you done caught out of here?
Oh, there's 5 in here.
What?
Oh, yeah.
5 pounders?
Oh, yeah.
And this sucker?
Oh, yeah.
5 younders. What the heck?
5 nasty river ones, too.
Holy crap.
Like, pull your
crap down.
Yeah.
Like, they're...
So I'm going to give you the first spot, right?
Okay, that's fair.
Okay, we're going to get down here, we're going to walk up towards the bridge, and then you're going to want to cast tight to the bridge.
Tight to the bridge.
And be like basically banging into it with something. There's a
Well,
little bit less current there, and there should be something.
I got a little current, man.
Yeah, it's pushing now, the dam.
It's a little bump. It got a little bumping going.
Which isn't a bad thing.
No, get some position?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what you would think.
And it kind of gets them fired up sometimes.
Oh, heck yeah, I could see this. I get a little riled. Get some poison ivy while we're down here.
I don't actually see any poison ivy.
I know you would notice that. Hold up, we gotta wait for... Because there'll be one right there.
You look at all that bait right there?
Yep, I see you.
Rocks,
Hey.
rocks, just any little cuts.
There's
Oh,
2 big smallmouth.
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Throw a little plastic or something. There's like 3 of them right
I
there.
got him.
Got it?
Okay.
Oh, he just rolled on it. Did he eat it?
He had it.
He like rolled on it.
He had it. He had it for a second.
Totally.
He had it for a second.
Yeah.
I had him and I just like...
I lost him.
I did too. Oh, there's one like looking at the. There's one looking at the bait. I see him right there.
Oh, yeah,
see him.
I got a good look at him there. I can see him really well there.
Yes, sucker. Get him. That's what I'm talking about. The boys done told me not to bring my flip-flops, and what do? Got flip-flops on. Hey, got a ride or die. Ride or die. Oh, that little eddy spot, I see what you're talking about there. Yeah, that's freaking legit. Like a little Ned. Heck yeah. That's the craziest thing is you see these fish blend in so well with the bottom. They're insane. Yeah, the suckers right there, yeah.
Yeah, I'll let you creep up there and yeah, just go grind that
Just
wall.
fire one in there with a topwater or a dang Ned. Yeah, Ryan, throw that. Everything, Kyle. My bad. I thought I called you Ryan. That's the biggest. I know. I apologize. There's one.
You've done it.
There we go.
Pike or smallmouth?
Oh, that's a bass. Good one too. I think so. Heavy current. Oh. There. Oh, look, there's one with him. There's one with him. Oh, gosh.
Yeah.
Oh, somebody try to get him.
Popper. Fluke on him.
I'll keep him out.
Look at
That was another nice one with him, too.
That was
Yeah,
cool.
he's really dark.
He's still
Heck yeah, he
there's still that
was.
fish with them?
That's what's
I
up.
don't see him.
Nice.
There we
fish,
go.
dude.
Come here, little buddy. Come here. Whoo. There we go. Just like that. Little rattling Ned. small finesse. This is just something I really like to throw as a recent, like whenever you're around rock, or especially like wood. That finesse rugby head, that's a little 1/8 ounce, so it's like a Texas rig in it. Pretty legit. First one, here we go. Heck yeah, chunky. They're chunky little suckers. You've been eating good, haven't you? That one with you is even bigger. Heck yeah. All right, buddy. See you later. Thank you. All right, somebody else gets a chance. I'm feeling good about that one. That was fun.
Look at that snapper.
Oh, should I go catch him?
Sure, if you want.
He's gonna move fast.
Yeah.
This is Fred.
Yeah. Are you kidding me? Holy smokes! Oh, I gotta get that guy out of here. That sucker right there would chomp on your toe.
Look at that leech on
See you later, buddy. Gosh, big old snapper. You let him get a hold of you. Oh, he's scared of that smallmouth.
You'll know it.
Yeah, you'll know what happened. All right, y'all, we made a move to a new location. First location had our first smallmouth, but hey, boys, we got a game plan. Let's see what we got. That little eddy right there looks pretty legit.
Yeah, that's really nice, that little concrete pillar.
The little concrete pillar, yeah. And then even out here, like with that grass too.
Yeah, and so we'll wade and we'll cut across to that point over there.
Yeah.
Fish that little thing.
A little seam.
And that grass line, hit the breaking from back.
Yeah, that's legit. That's legit. I'm in. I'm in. This is why they said don't bring your flip-flops, but to fall head first. Start roly-poly over here. Okay. And we're good. It's a pretty little spot. Water's a little
This is a different river, yeah.
yeah. Oh yeah, but I definitely went down into the hole. Woo! We definitely walking in the hole. Yep, hey, water's up, boys. The water's up. What the hell? Well, backpack's wet. I'm wet. On my tiptoes. Where the heck's this freaking deal at? I gotta get to it a little higher ground. It's a little bit cold. Gosh dang, stepped into the deepest hole in the dang river. Unbelievable. Woo. Got a little chill. Hey, don't be casting on my side. I walked all the way over here to hit this point. You think you can cast over here and just do my job for me? I just hope we don't step on a big giant turtle.
Oh! I got one. Got one.
Oh, he's got him one. Kyle.
I got me one. Got me a little topwater smallmouth.
Play him out. We need him bad. Dunbar.
He's a little guy. Woo!
We need him.
It's all good, Kobe.
Hey, that one get a Poppy McPop face?
He did.
There you go.
Come on. Don't worry, Kobe.
2 more minutes.
No, Kobe.
Just a little popping smallmouth. Just a pretty little part. Oh.
Brody. Get him, son. Hey,
Oh, it's a nice one.
it looks like a nice one for sure. Big dark one, huh?
Yeah.
Hey, don't, be careful. It's only like 12-pound line. It's a nice one, bro. Big dark one. And Brody didn't get to. Oh,
No! Came off.
ah, see, you got too excited over there. It's okay, bro. You got the best of him. You know, actually, I thought he caught that on the tube, but he actually didn't. He caught it on my Ned rig. Makes a lot more sense now. See, the reason behind that 100% was the fact that the tube was just not having it. It was just upside down tube. He was very determined to tell me, prove me wrong. And he broke it off and decided if you can't beat them, join them. It's the best way to do it sometimes. Get him, son.
There's one following
Get him,
him.
son.
Yeah. Gosh,
There
dang.
you go.
Finally. Little bitty guy. Dark. That's cool.
All right, so I had a little fray in my knot, so grabbed a little bit, didn't have my scissors. I probably actually do have my scissors in there. Problem is, let's first see what's up. Oh, Brody got him another one.
Oh my gosh. I don't know
Settle
if
down, turn the drag. Calm down. Whoa, take your time with it, Brody. There you go. Take it easy.
There's two following him.
There's two of them behind it?
Yeah.
Oh, that's a good one too, dude. Soften up the tree. Nicely done, dude. Oh, he did the belly. There we go, the belly land. We got it. Show it to the camera, Brody. Stop. That's okay. Don't be
Ned
shy.
rig right in his mouth. Oh.
Got him. 50-pound braid. Top secret rock on rock trick to cut 50-pound suffix braid just like that. You use one rock and you need another big rock to support your braid. Then apply pressure by knocking it or calling the Sasquatches. The Squatch call. No. Whoa, Brody. Hey, he was catching them though. He had to join the Ned rig team. You noticed, I'd have been really impressed if he would have caught those on the tube. But the thing was, he had to quit. And now I'm not that impressed. It's like, you had to. It was a good try though. 3. It's not bad. What the heck? Oh, I gotta retie this thing again. I had a fray in my line. That's where the fray is. What the heck? Going back to the dang rock trick. So, if you don't have any scissors and you're out here in no man's land trying to cut your 50-pound braid. Alright, so that's how you do. Grab your rock. Unreal. Reeling them in.
Jump. Another little guy.
Belly release.
Yeah.
On the other side, yeah.
Fat.
Here. Yeah, point them that way. There we go. You're good.
Oh,
Yes. That's what we like.
yeah, a lot of splashing. Nice juicy B-roll.
Rig up. So what Brody is using right now is the backup. You always got to have a good casting rod, good spinning. Got to move this one to the back other side. Okay. Using this is actually the finesse rugby. Right here. Rattle one Ned. Just Texas rigging him.
Looks like Brody's throwing it down over here. What were you catching him on, Brody? Oh, a Ned rig?
That's what I thought. They don't want it right now. There he is. Oh. Oh, come on. Son of a gun. Woo! That was fun. Heck yeah, that was cool. That was fun.
Ooh, hit it right away on the fall.
I'm fired up, boys.
Coming up.
Caught. Pretty good one, Kyle. There he is. Pretty good one.
Not bad. Woohoo!
Not bad.
Cool.
That was good. A little slow-mo. Got doubled up. Schmolly.
Come here. Woo, Wheeler.
Oh, it's gonna double up, bud.
Double up. Oh, Wheeler's got a nice one. Oh, and there's one with Wheeler's.
Is there?
Yeah, there's 2 of them.
Oh yeah. Oh, but got him. Dude, I love it.
Little Spry River smallmouth.
Oh, they're mean, man.
They are mean.
You get the little 12, 13 incher, man. It's just like you set the hook, you think you got a dang sure enough grown one. I like it.
Oh, a trip.
Oh, that's a big one.
Oh, that's
Pretty
probably
nice
the
one.
one that was with Wheeler's.
That's a big one.
Yeah, that's a nicer fish.
That is a nice one.
Is there one behind that one too? Oh, no! Brody.
Man, Brody, we just have. This is not having a day of our life right now.
That was a little better fish. We actually got a good look at that one.
You like this a 3-pounder? Another one.
Man, he's going to work.
Oh,
Ooh, that's a nice one.
that's like the last one you had.
Mean. That's a better one for sure.
A little patch of them in here.
Yeah, for sure.
That thing's gonna launch in that shallow water.
There you go. There you go. Get him, bro. There you go. That's what I'm talking about.
Took my worm.
Fresh out.
That's alright when they're that big.
Yeah.
I got a giant one. Oh! It was about a 48 incher.
Nice long one.
That was a big long one. Yeah, it is.
I caught a crayfish. I caught a crayfish. That was it? Ow, ouch. Ow. Let it go. Hey, hey, hey. Hee hee hee. Oh, no, he's getting me in the rocks, actually. No, on jerkbait. Oh. Oh. Okay. All right. Maybe I'm better off getting this back hook out first. Oh, there. There we go. Boy, they're just dark. There we go. Cute little guy on the cute little whippersnapper. We had a little flurry back there. Everybody caught a few bass, but the topwater thing is not really happening. Caught like one on that popper, that 13, that Poppy McPop face. So that wasn't really going overly well. So I switched up to a little jerkbait. Caught one on the popper, and I've only thrown this a couple times now and got one on it. So smallmouth are just not really having the topwater thing today.
It's been a while since your boy's been fishing in like creeks and stuff. And I pop that little rattle out there sometimes if I want them to float up, especially in current situations. It floats up a little bit better with that 1/8 ounce little swinging rugby head. So pop him out, put him in your pocket. Now we got a little bit of a little eddy right here. Oh yeah, smallie. Oh, don't be hating on my dang smallmouth. That was a nice one. It was probably at least 6. It's probably an 8. 8 incher, yeah, I'm gonna give it an 8. Wouldn't you say so? It's a fair assessment of that fish. I mean, I'm actually probably underdoing myself. Get off my dang spot, Brody. I know your ass freaking see me here going in. Yeah, you are. You freaking get out of here. Put your tube on and get out of my way. There he is. Nice one. Heck yeah. Got him. Not a big one. Pretty nice one. Oh yeah, I had to get a fresh. Oh, come here. Come here, buddy. Come here. That one's a fat. That is a definition of a very brown bass.
They're very, very brown in here.
Unreal. What is the what is like those little black dots on their fins and stuff?
Honestly, I don't know if they're like a little parasite or something.
That's what I thought. You always see those up in like Canada and stuff.
Was it like they say like a fish has worms if there's like all the
Yeah,
dots
buddy.
on it? I don't know.
Yeah, like they just seem like they have a little bit of a parasite. Brody, don't be on my stuff now. I done told you once. Brody's over here trying to get on my dang spot. Freaking heifer. I'm gonna go get your tube out and make you freaking give me it back. And Brody, top secret casting hole. All the fish are in 3 holes. That's how it is. Normally this time of year, this is fun right here though. Like just going to these small little holes and.
Oh, I caught
Walleye.
a walleye.
You got you a walleye.
I caught a walleye. Caught a walleye and a jerkbait.
It's about what happens.
Uh-oh. There you go, Wheelie.
Oh, but I love it, man. Those suckers. Oh, you son of a gun. I'm me and Brody over here.
For sure.
Oh, that one clubbed it. Next cast. Oh. He didn't get it overly well. He just kind of swatted it. Man alive. Mm-hmm.
They make them pretty good.
I know, they really do.
Is that their cheap? Is that in their like cheaper line?
I think it is.
I told them they got too close to like I'm like, you're just making stuff too close to the trajectory. That's the reason why you leave it. I miss doing this crap, man. Oh, yep. Definite mean rock bass. That's a very, very mean rock bass right there. A very, very mean rock bass. See, Mark Daniels, if he knew I was throwing this fish back, he'd be so upset with me.
What, did you kill him?
Oh, he eats them.
Does he?
Yeah, he's listening to the deal. I got one little stick right there. Sorry, McKee. I just got one little stick that has all these rock bass on it. I'm just trying to catch them every throw. Oh, oh, there we go. Yep. Oh, coming in hot. Oh yeah. See that? You see that hesitation? That was the key right there. Okay. It's hard to do it sometimes, but when you're reeling your bait in and you feel a tick, literally, all you got to do, let the fish have it, and then set the hook. Not a great big one, but man, I love creek fishing is absolutely so much fun. I'll tell you that right now. It's been way too long since I've been out wading around in a creek. I feel like a little kid again. Uh-oh, Brody. Smallmouth. He got him one on a tube. I think I got it on. Yes. Hold up. Oh yeah. Definitely. Hey, here, I'll help you out. Here, Brody, look. I'll help you out. Look, this is a nice, friendly thing to do. Oh man. There we go. Oh, wait a second, guys. Look at this. The tube is in the correct position. What's that? This equals this. Just like that. Literally. Good job, Brody. It's a nice fat one. Look at that. That's a nice. We got to catch one and get a picture for sure. Nice one. Next nice one we catch, we got to get a picture like all of us or something.
Wow. Can I be in the video? Oh, there's a bunch with them, dude. Whole bunch with them. With?
Oh, the big.
Yeah, that's a big in there. Come on. No. Yeah, there's a bunch in here.
That's a nice one, Keith.
Hey, I get to be in the video. I caught a fish today. Holy. First fish today. I've been having all kinds of technical difficulties, but they seem to be down deeper. Everybody's saying poppers are pretty tough. I'm struggling with a fluke. But we're dialing some stuff in. We got low water and the fish are super schooled up in little tiny tight spots, so it's a super fun way to do it.
Smallmouth. In a little pool. Oh yeah. There you go. Oh yeah. Right next to that log. Perfect little hook. Pop him out. Chunker. He's been, hey, look at that. You can see he's got like some crawdads coming out. See you later, buddy. That never gets old, man. Right next to that log. That's like sort of a perfect little place for one to be at. Oh
baby, come on. That feels good. Oh,
Right behind that rock,
come
huh?
on, baby. Oh, not as big as I thought, but hey. We finally made it to the end of the line. And there's one more waiting for us. Dick. Come here, baby. Coat. Easy. Oh, you are pinned. Pinned and not abused. Oh, give me a river. Woo. Oh, they hide in the tiniest little places.
Oh, you got him one. That thing's acrobatic. Acrobatic. They like that. They like a little jerk bait.
They do like a little jerk bait.
I like that.
I'm trying to get him up, Kobe. There it is. Ow! Ah, ah. Got him. Boy, these hooks, every one of them have been. Do ya?
Need him?
Yeah, like. It's the weirdest thing, because he's.
Oh, there's my fucking tube right there.
Oh. And of course, I just got it.
Get it?
Well, kind of, yeah. I did. Yeah. Thank you, though.
All right, y'all. So the key for today has definitely been the deeper holes. You know, this happens in like the middle of summertime. What ends up happening is the water starts to drop, the flow gets less and less, and a lot of the fish will get on those little meandering holes, get in those areas. Sometimes they'll be up there in the shoals. You can sort of see there's some swift water coming down through here, but it seemed to be the key for today, you know, and that's the thing. You'll sort of, as you walk these rivers, not every river's got nice smallmouth. There's a lot of great rivers right there around the house. You know, Tennessee, Georgia, that has really nice spotted bass. Some that have a good smallmouth fishing in them, good largemouth fishing in them. And just a fun way to beat the heat in the middle of the summer and, you know, and get after it. So that's definitely something that I'm gonna have to add. I'm gonna have to find a couple of sneak holes around the house to do this thing in, because it's too much fun. It really is. And especially when it's 100 degrees outside and you can get and wade around, and it's, ooh, about fell over there. It is about as good as it gets.